We are the nature of mercy. You know what? I will let you have it, but you have to get it yourself, all right? You're an independent lady.
Who wants to kiss this boo-boo?
He's the...
The Earl!
Of course you do, sir.
How's this gonna look on your mantle?
Don't encourage the Earl. That puts a whole new meaning to the word smile.
It puts a whole new meaning to the word crack. Oh, the whip. You people had issues.
And you drew on me, my lady.
I did not draw on you. It was, how you say? I had a twitch. I got it from my mother.
Did she or did she not draw her sword on me? Aye or nay?
Oh, you be quiet.
Yeah!
I see you too have a twitch.
It's true. I got it from your mother. Right, buddy? Right? High five for mom jokes. High five mom jokes, huh? Hey, does anyone have any aloe for that wicked bird? Who wants to see a sword fight?
Who wants to see a sword fight?
Who wants to see a sword fight? Very well, before we can kill each other, I must first teach you a proper English dueling salute.
I don't want to learn no stinking dog English dueling salute. I'm going to teach you a stylish Italian dueling salute.
That actually sounds nice.
Step 1, strike an heroic pose.
Shia, shia, shia. Here, 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 here. Step 2, let us gingerly touch our tips.
No, I don't want to.
No, we just touch our swords together.
That sounds a bit weird.
We just cross our blades.
Oh, well now it looks like scissors. Does that make us the Caesar sisters?
I'm not a woman.
You're the one who wants to talk about your feelings.
I'm in touch with my feminine side.
Is that what you've been touching?
Very well, sir. I offer you, my lady, I offer you my salute. Hi. I have a sword.
And I have a question for you.
What is it?
What is it with you and my butt?
It's a big target.
And poke the hole. Hey, we all like big butts. Huh? And they cannot lie.
Yeah, it's all about that bass. Well, keep going. I like it.
No.
Shall I give her back her sword? Aye or nay? Shall I give her back her sword? Well, I have this for you to consider. As much as I might like to, I can't possibly duel with this lady unless, of course, it was said that she died with a sword in her hand.
In that case, you keep it. I don't need it no more.
Hold her!
Hold me, green guy. Woo! I like this collar. I like these muscles.
Well, I don't see any muscles. Stand up, my lord.
Oh.
Strike a manly pose. I'll wait. Oh, that's it? Nice. He's so manly he doesn't have to pose at all. It's like drinking in, ladies.
Come on.
You are incredibly strong.
See?
Someone needs to call the vet.
See?
Because those puppies are sick. Looks like someone's been working out with a shake weight.